I'm gonna start the vlog in a very different way. We just made this one ready for the track. We are at Autodrome today. So this is the first track day for this car. We're gonna test it out, we'll see how it goes. Brakes has been upgraded, the car has been tuned. Let's see how's the response on this one we get. We're gonna put some cameras and everything on this car. Let's see. It's in voice group today. So we're already here waiting for our turn to be done. We're gonna do a familiar lap. Car is ready, so do my passenger.
Today might be our last day, but we're happy.
This is gonna be fun. The car is ready. We have some nice car. We have Porsches here, GT3 RS. We got an 86. We got another GT3 RS. We got a 300C.
We got patrol.
We got a patrol as well. That car got a big one. So this is our first lap here in Dubai Autodrome with this setup. Already checking the car, so far no issues. We done the first session, 32 minutes we pushed the car. So far the only issue which we had, the brakes are heat up. You can feel like on the first turn and the last turn, it's not performing as it's supposed to be. So far the car is doing good. Over the straight it has power, over the corners it has good power, but other than that, it's fine.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Yalla. out. Pretty good. Pretty good for what it is. You might do another one. Hold on. You might have to go back. Pretty solid call. Didn't expect it to last, but it did. Germans are making us proud again, as they always do. Came back to the pit.
So we had our first setback, Harvin.
Yeah,
We cooked.
we cooked chat.
So I think we didn't blow the engine up, but there's some leak.
Something have blown up. We don't
Some
know what.
smoke was coming out. We came out just to cool down the brakes. Then we realized there was some smoke coming out. We parked the car. Now it's the end of today's session. We're gonna take the car back. It performed very well. Amazing. The only issue which we had was the brakes, but so far I understand there's something else which we need to cater. Anyway, it was a good session. We're done for today. We're gonna take the car back to the garage. We will see what we have to do now, what went wrong, and we'll try to fix that. Yalla.